This is a dars al-hadi wal-ashrun of Kitab Adawat al-Rabd. This is lesson 11 of the connectors. And we're looking here at drill 1. In this drill, you're looking at the connectors إذا, in, and low, particularly. Now, you should study pages 153 to 157 of your book in order to better understand how to use these particles. However, I'm going to give you a possible scenario in English for each of these, and then you can try and change or modify that as you like. You just have to make sure that when you use the particle, for example, إذا, and you don't use a past tense in the result clause, then you need to use a fa. Or if you don't use the majzum or the jasiv in the result clause, then you need to use a fa. So just review those rules, and then you should be able to complete this exercise with some additional help in my providing this translation. So number 1, blank درست اللغة العربية blank عادات الشعوب العربية. So you could say something like, if you study the Arabic language, then you will come to understand or to know the customs of the Arab peoples. Number 2, blank سافرت blank لي رسالة. You could say something like, if she travels, she will write a letter to me, or she shall write a letter to me. Number 3, blank درس blank في الامتحان. If he studies, he will succeed on the exam. Number 4, blank تذاكر blank. If you study, you will succeed. Number 5, blank أنك مسافر غدا blank معك. So here you're going to have to actually provide a verb along with the particle. So you're going to say something like, if I knew that you were traveling tomorrow, I would have gone with you. Number 6, blank كان مسافرا غدا blank معه. So 6, if here you could say, if he was traveling tomorrow, then she would have traveled with him. Number 7, blank رفض المشروع blank ستفعل. Here, if he refuses the proposal, then what shall we do? Then what will you do? Number 8, blank كنت مؤلف هذه الرواية blank في نهايتها. So if you are the author of this novel, then explain the intent of its end. Number 9, blank بحثتم عن الكتاب جيدا. If you had only searched for the book well, you would have found it. Number 10, blank اجتهدتم في عملكم blank Allah. If you work hard in your job or in your work, then God will provide for you. 11, blank فكر في الأمر بجدة blank الحل. If he had thought about the matter seriously, he would have found the solution. Number 12, blank زرتني blank لك المشروع بالتفصيل. If you visit me, I will explain to you the matter in detail. So hopefully that will give you some context. Remember that the English that I provided is just one possible scenario. So you can obviously create the sentences that you feel are most appropriate. مع السلامة.